Hey guys, welcome to ROMs for you. Let's look at how to install latest Project 404 on Xiaomi POCOF1. To do this installation, you need to have the ROM file downloaded, which you can find from the description. In my case, I have downloaded and kept the ROM file inside my SD card downloads folder. The next thing you have to do is to remove all security meshes from your phone. For that, go to settings and remove fingerprint which you have added and any screen lock or pin you have added. After, remove all Google accounts which you have linked with your phone so that you can avoid any unnecessary lockouts. After finishing removal process, let's quickly reboot into recovery. I am using Orange Fox latest version. So now press and hold the power button and volume up till you will get the boot logo. Since my phone was already encrypted, I am giving the decryption key. So let's wait until it decrypts. Let's quickly check the installation file under external SD card downloads. So now select home button and delete Dalvik, cache, system, vendor and data and internal storage. I have selected internal storage since my phone was already encrypted. To remove that encryption, you have to format including internal storage. So once format finishes, let's quickly navigate into the downloaded file and select and swipe to flash. You can see the logs on the screen. Make sure that there is no major errors noticed. So I noticed some error which is related to recovery, which is absolutely fine in my case. If you are using TWRP, you won't be getting any errors like this. So now wipe Dalvik cache and reboot into system. You can see the boot logo of 404. So let me fast up the process and quickly finish on startup steps. So yeah, here it is, the latest Project 404. Let's quickly go to settings. As you see, the ROM is based upon Android 11. So that will do it for this video. Till catch up with another video. Bye bye and take care.